Do you struggle with making engaging videos from text? Today, we'll explore tools to transform text into videos. By the end, you'll know 5 AI tools for video creation. First, let's look at Pictory AI. Pictory helps convert text into videos quickly. Add voiceovers, captions, and stock footage. In just minutes, your video is ready. Next, we have InVideo. InVideo offers templates for social media and ads. Create stunning and viral videos effortlessly. Now, let's check out Synthesia. With Synthesia, make avatar videos with ease. No camera needed, just type your script. Moving on to Runway ML. Runway acts like Photoshop, but for videos. It removes backgrounds and generates B-roll swiftly. Finally, explore Descript. Descript lets you edit videos like a document. Delete words to remove clips automatically. Key learnings today include 5 innovative tools. Each tool simplifies video creation from text. Now, it's your turn. Try these tools and enhance your videos today. Follow AI Profits Lab for more tips on growing your income.